Introduction to variables and data types in C++. Variables are used to store and manipulate data in a program. In C++, variables must be declared with a specific data type before they can be used. In this tutorial, we'll explore various data types available in C++ and how to work with variables. Integer data type. The int data type is used to store whole numbers. It can represent both positive and negative values. Here's an example of declaring and initializing an integer variable. Floating point data types. C++ provides two floating point data types, float and double. They are used to store numbers with decimal places. Here's an example. Character data type. The char data type is used to store individual characters. It can represent letters, digits, and special symbols. Here's an example. String data type. In C++, strings are represented using the std string class from the standard library. They are used to store a sequence of characters. Here's an example. Boolean data type. The bool data type is used to represent logical values. It can have two possible states, true or false. Here's an example. Type inference. Auto. In C++ 11 and later versions, you can use the auto keyword to automatically deduce the data type of a variable based on its initialization. Here's an example. Constant variables. You can declare constants in C++ using the const keyword. Once a variable is declared as a constant, its value cannot be changed. Here's an example. In this tutorial, we explored the basics of working with variables and different data types in C++. We learned how to declare and initialize variables. And we covered integer, floating point, character, string, and Boolean data types. We also looked at type inference with the auto keyword and discussed constant variables. Understanding variables and data types is fundamental in any programming language, and it forms the building blocks for writing meaningful and efficient programs. Here's an example code block that demonstrates working with different data types. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to support the creation of more content like this.